Hi everyone, it's good to have you back to my channel once again, and this is Dozie Etelbert. So in today's video, we're actually going to have a full class about a fuse in computer science lately. You've heard about AI, and today I want to explain in the basic terms what this AI is all about. I'm not just going to explain AI, I'm going to explain another terminology known as NLM, Natural Language Model, and I'm also going to explain what we mean by prompt. And these are terminologies are all associated with AI. If you ever use ChatGPT or any other AI tool, you will understand that this video is something you don't want to miss. So if this is what interests you and you're really interested to know so much about AI, this is an explanation in the most basic terms. I want you to stay in this video up until the end. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, and AI is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines or agents that can learn, think, and act and perform basic tasks that requires human intelligence. That is basically what AI is all about. Natural language models are a type of AI model that can understand and generate human-like languages. They are designed to process and analyze large amounts of text data and learn from it. Okay? A prompt is a piece of text that is used to guide an AI model to generate specific output. It can be a question, a statement, or any other text input that provides context to this model. So when you are interacting with any of these AI models, the language you feed them with, compose a poem for a 5-year-old baby. When you are prompting your AI like ChatGPT and the other AIs with questions like that, it's called prompting. It's called prompting. Prompts are used to guide natural language models to generate specific outputs. They provide context to the model and help it understand what type of output is required. So the AI tool, in combination with your prompts, your prompts are the natural languages you input on the computer, like generate a text, an SMS for customers in the in XYZ industry. Those are natural language models that you use to prompt the AI to generate the specific tailored answers as you want them. So that is prompting and natural language model playing all along in one card. Examples of natural language model is T5, GPT-3. We have the latest being GPT-4 now, and we have BERT. So I'm actually going to explain each and every one of these language models. GPT-3 I would use is the full meaning is an acronym for Generative Pre-trained Transformer Tree. Like I have mentioned to you, it was created by OpenAI in the 2020s. OpenAI is the parent company of ChatGPT and other AI tools. It's a large language model trained on massive text data. So our AI machines were trained, they were fed, they learn. That's why it's AI. AI keeps learning, it keeps evolving, it keeps knowing, it keeps growing. It uses autoregressive method to generate human-like text for any prompt. That is, it tries to respond to you in the way you asked it the question. So that's what we know as autoregression. It's capable of a few shot learning. It learns from just few examples. It learns from there. Then I'll go to BERT, and BERT stands for Bidirectional Encoder Representation from Transformers. The BERT was developed by Google in the year 2018. It is trained using masked languages to predict missing words. It excels at language understanding and contextual word representation. It powers question and answering and word prediction. So TE5 means text to text transformer, text to text transformer, still developed by Google in 2019. Encoder and decoder transformer, trained on large text data to perform various natural language protocol tasks by converting them into a text format. So these are basically all we need to know today about AI, NLM, and prompting. Okay, so I will be releasing more videos explaining some of these terms. If there are some terms you heard me use in this video and you don't understand them, you need more clarity over time, let me get that in the comment section. Let me know which word it is. Maybe afterwards I could create more explanatory videos like this, more tutorial videos, and explain them to you in detail. So did you learn anything in the course of this video? I don't want you to go anywhere. I want you to do just 3 tasks. I want you to give this video a thumbs up, recommend it to someone, recommend it to your community, share, and I also want you to engage. You can subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, because I promise to release more and more about AI, give you all the information you need. And also leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you learned new in this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.